Realancer for freelancers, take control of your career. Track your success at a glance. See how many projects you've applied to, won, and completed, all in one place. Stay organized with smart contract tabs, offers, active work, and completed deals, clearly sorted for easy tracking. Submit work with confidence. Use the calendar to log your progress and keep clients updated in real time. Stand out with smart rankings. Top-rated, on-time freelancers appear first in search results. Set your schedule your way. Choose weekdays or weekends, and avoid being booked outside your availability. Keep chats focused and clear. Each project has its own workspace for tasks, feedback, and updates. Build your portfolio, attract more work, add completed projects and tasks to showcase your skills and expertise. Find projects that fit you. Filter jobs by budget, skills, type, or location, and apply confidently. Manage your earnings with ease. Track payments and download invoices from completed contracts. You're in control of your freelance future. Join the waitlist now app.realancer.net.